Welcome back to K-Dog's Motorcar Doghouse. I'm gonna paint this Coronet the other day with some tropical Glitz Fudge light brown, and the window butt polished the top of it, and I scarred the roof of it pretty bad, so I gotta touch it up. I'm gonna spot that roof in. I'm gonna paint the chassis and everything while I'm here. I figured I'd turn the camera on a little while and let you see what happens. I might end up fast forwarding it, but we'll see where this goes. All right, here we go. Cleaned my paint booth up the other day. Got to clean all my tools up. Got that done. I'm just gonna lay this stuff on here. I don't need that one yet. Got to paint these right here. I ain't done that. Do that. I just use a Badger. I just use a Badger 150. I got 4 of them. Good thing about a Badger, if it starts giving you problems, just send it back. They'll rebuild it. All you gotta do is take a postage, send it back with all new parts. They can send the old parts back. This paint cover's good. That's pretty mixed. I think it was about $9 for a bottle. You can do quite a few cars with it. I was just trying to do something different on this Coronet. I already done a green one. There's a little bit of light here. I extended my shelf piece out. Give me a little more room. Time to get this on that original shelf is back here. Time to get that on there and saw what you hit. I didn't like that. I just moved it. I just had a buddy of mine make me a piece of stainless or a piece of galvanized to go in there. I do a furnace work, so that's all it is. Just pick me a flat sheet, put a lid on it, make it stronger. I just slide it in there. Slide it out, clean it up. I put this color on here, and I'll cut that camera off and bring it back to put it. I don't take much pains in doing this stuff here. I gotta keep forgetting my anchors up there. Let me put the one down here on the table. It's something to lay that on. Paint. That'll work right there. That'll work right there. I'm spinning that a little bit. Spin it off right the other hand and hold this a little. My wife opened it to see it's going to spin on me. That's what I was talking about the other day. Just find something. Find something. Everything's spinning, just find something to lay on there. Everything's still in. Use whatever you got. Doing this one day and things kept rotating on me. I gotta find a way to break that down. I can do this kind of like the Mopars have done it, like the factory has done it. That's what I do there. I'm gonna come back here in a minute. I'll show you in just a second. I'm gonna go back to this side. Yeah, it's gonna show. That I'm a mouth, you might understand me. It's hard to understand me already, man. Just gonna lay that on there. Then we'll come back and close that in a little bit. I can get up under that portion bar. I don't want the whole thing complete. I think that's good enough for that. Alright, I'm going to turn you off. We got that done. We got that good enough. I'm going to throw a coat of clear on that. I'll throw a coat of clear on that here. I'm going to touch this body. I'm going to do that while you're on camera. I'm trying to move a little fast so it won't be so boring. I know it's probably going to be boring anyway, all that noise in the background. I'm going to try to fog that in. Fog that in so I can get it about where I want it. That worked right there. I'm gonna throw one coat of paint on this thing. I'm gonna blend that roof a little better. I ain't worried about the bottom much. I think I'm just gonna do the roof. The rest of the thing looks good. It's already got a coat of 2K clear on it. And the paint doesn't have to split too. You see that? Just kind of blending that in. That'll work. Alright. We're going to let that dry. We're going to let that flash off for about 15-20 minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, it's been about 15-20 minutes. This is my favorite clear. I usually buy it by about 4 cans at a time. It's got pretty expensive. Last time I bought some, it was $21, $22 a can. I bet it's more than that now. I took it outside and let it warm up. I'm gonna put a coat on this body, and then I'm gonna set it on top and then do the rest of my stuff. So here we go. Remember, I already got one coat of clear on this thing, so I just touching that roof back up. It looks like it's done pretty good. Looks like it's done pretty good too. I just put one good coat on it. Let it flash. See what it does. Get some light, make sure I got that side shining. Make sure I got it shine on this side. I got one on that. This one's a little dull here. Let's hit that one. Bring that back up a little bit more. Here we got it. See there? We got it that time. That looks pretty good. And I'm gonna set this up here out of the way. Be careful with it. Let that set up enough where I can touch it and get it off of that stand. And then I'll put it in my dehydrator. I didn't buy a big enough dehydrator to put a stand and the body in. I'm just going, this don't really matter. Well, you ain't gonna see much of this. I just throw some clear on it. It makes it look a little better. And I need and they probably didn't even clear the bottom of these cars when they build them, but I'm gonna put just a quick coat on it just to seal that paint up a little bit. I ain't going overboard with it. I'm gonna come back and weather that a little bit. I'll set this up here out of my way on top. I've got to do my firewall on my radiator support. You'll notice I'm getting short of breath. I've been a smoker most of my life, and it's hard to quit. I've been trying to quit for the last year or so. I got it down about half of what I was smoking, but it's hard to give it up. Alright guys, we got the clear on. We're going. Let her set up a day or two before I go to mess with it. I'm going to go work on something else. I just want to make a little short video. Alright, remember what I say, model on.